Welcome back, guys. We have problem solution. Let me show you. All right, so before, with these little mini flashes, you have a problem because you put them on your camera, and if your lens is too long, you're going to block the flash. So Godox came out with one of these, and I showed a video of this about a week or two ago. It's a riser that goes on top of your camera. It slides in and brings your flash up higher. And you can put your flash on here. Problem is, this is manual only. You lose any TTLs. As they have came out for $15, you can get one of these. This will raise your flash. It'll get it up high enough so that you don't have to worry so much about the length of the lens. Now, you're still not going to be able to put like a 400 millimeter lens on here, but you're not going to be using this kind of flash with a 400 millimeter lens anyway. That gets you some lift, and then you put your flash in there. Now you've got about an extra inch in height right through here, and that should fix 90% of your problems. So $14.99, you can keep your TTL. It is TTL compatible. That's the whole benefit over just the regular riser that is for manual flash only. Now check your flash. You may have just a manual flash. Some of the flashes are manual only. The IT30 is TTL. That's why I was showing you it. So manual height adjuster, I think it was like $9. TTL height adjuster, $14.99. Right there. Easy peasy. I'll leave a link for that at the bottom. I know a couple of you guys have asked questions about this, so check it out. You guys have a great day. For helping you out, hit that subscribe button. Have a good one.